Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. So we will be testing Love Island. So I have a palette, I have a highlight, I have a bronzer. I of course have all the lip kits, like of course. This I'm semi excited for because of all the lip products and semi not excited for because I am not a Love Island fan at all. Like, you can come for me if you want, but I don't care for Love Island, to be fair. I've just never have. But the makeup is gorgeous. Now this is what the palette looks like. I believe this retailed for £12. This is called I've Got a Text, and they do have like 2 mini palettes which I will collect maybe at Black Friday or something at some point. But it's very to the brand. So you've got the pink and the white, which I believe they have in that villa, and again more pink there. That is what the palette looks like. So it's quite neutral with some pops of colour in there, especially like the blues and the pinks. So I'm not sure where I'm going with this. It could be neutral with a pop of pink on the lash line. I could just do pink, I could do green, because it's not a pop of blue, it's more like teal really, that shade there. Let's put some eye base on and see where we're going. Guys, I have this amazing new chair that I'm filming with on, and you guys can't see it, but it's so fucking comfortable. I am in love with it. It's from Homebase and it was on offer for 50 quid instead of 80 or something. I nearly bought like a whole bench and then I just bought this whole chair and I love it. Literally, me and the dog, Saf, we fight over it. She gets so annoyed when I'm sitting on there, like to the point where I don't actually know where she's gone. She was by my feet, but she's disappeared. Anywho, 4 minutes in and I haven't even started the look. We are going to take the shade Message in the corner. Let's get a fluffy brush and just blend out the edges. That proper blended out. And then let's go in with the shade Cheeky. Oh my god, who remembers the Cheeky girls? I swear they're meant to be like back again. They were like my childhood. I don't know if anyone remembers it, but it was like, you are a cheeky girl, and all of that stuff. I'm not going to sing the rest of the song and embarrass myself right now, but yep, that was the song. And now the song will probably be stuck in my head. Oh, it's blending out nicely. Let's go in with a bit of buzzing or banter. Buzzing, banter, banter. Let's do banter. Just at the edges. And for the lid, I'm going to go for, let's go for Melt, this shade here. God, that word annoys me. You're proper melt, aren't you? I don't even know if I'm using that word right, but that's how I've heard people use that word and I just don't like it. This colour is on fire. Look at it. It's a proper duochrome. Oh my god, this colour. Whoa. Hope the camera is doing it justice. And then we're going to blend it out with Spooning, like on the outer corner here. Add some pink to it. Oh, I didn't like that, so let's go back in with Message. This is a very dusty palette. That colour is gorgeous. Okay, time for bronzer. They brought out 2 shades with this bronzer. They brought out this shade called Vacation, and then there was another shade which was way too dark for me, so we're going to try this shade out. I thought this would be too dark for me, then I saw Luce use it and I was like, oh okay, it suited her, so I'm going to try it myself. I think even Alex used it, to be fair. It actually has like Love Island imprinted all around it. This is the shade blended out on the back of my hand. Actually, with a light hand, it's not too bad. That bronzer is just not too intense. It looks lovely on the skin. Now let's do a little bit of blusher. I haven't got a blusher from the collection. There was no blusher. And now I'm thinking, like, what blusher should we try? I have these XX blushes that are like meant to be cream blushes, but they do feel a little bit powdery, so I feel like we could get away with one of these. So let's try the shade Folklore. See how it will come if I just use a brush. It's working. It smells really like perfumey, but in a nice way. Oh, I like that. Oh, that is nice. And then there is a highlight from this collection which I am excited to try. Oh, ain't that just perfect? Perfect, perfect. Let's try it on this side. I am doing a TikTok for this, so if you see me only trying half my face out, it's because the other half will be on TikTok. Oh, that is perfect for me. It's not too powdery. Like, it's melting into the skin nicely. Oh my god. I love doing it on my forehead. Look at that shine. Back to finishing the eyes. So, palette, which I lost. Let's put a bit of Flirty. I don't know why I said it like that. Flirty. And mix it with a bit of Spooning on the bottom lash line. Again, don't know why I said it like that. Guys, in 2 years I'm going to be 30. Can you believe that? And if you say yeah, don't talk to me. No, I'm joking. Oh, that's a nice pink. 30 in 2 years. Mate, someone tell me what I've done with my life. 30. Ooh, that actually works out really nicely. Oh my god, I tried the Conceal and Glow in my first impressions of Revolution. I am in love with it. It makes my skin look so good. If this can last all day on my skin, it will probably rank better than Conceal and Define. And I have been using that religiously for years, since it came out. That and L'Oreal True Match. That looks so good. Now for inner corner, let's go for the shade Game On. Like a light gold, like champagne. Guys, I'm in love. I'm telling you, if you guys could see the mess. I have a full IKEA desk and there is not an inch of white space anymore. There are 3 lip kits. Now what are we going to go for? We've got Bombshell, we've got Islander, and we've got Vibin. Let's do some swatches for you. Oh, do you know what? Let me just film that clip of the TikTok before I actually fully open these. I'll be back. I've opened them all up and I've swatched them all to make our lives easier. So this is the shade Bombshell. That comes in the darker pink packaging, and every one of them comes with a lip liner and comes with a liquid lipstick that looks like that. And Bombshell is this shade here, so this first shade, lip liner and liquid lipstick. They're all just like different shades of pink, and I feel like this is the more corally shade of pink. Then we have this shade here which is called Islander. Now Islander is this shade next to it, which I'm really tossing up between that one and that one. So that is Islander, and this is what the packaging looks like for Islander. And last one we have is Vibin. Vibin is the one down the bottom, which is like your proper pink, and this is what the packaging looks like. Oh, I don't know. It's between Islander and Vibin. Maybe I'll use Islander lip liner because it's a bit more nudie pink brown, and then put Vibin in the centre. Let's do that. You know I love a lipstick combo. I'm sorry, but not only do they dry down nicely, they've got a yummy taste to them. Like, I don't know how to explain it. It's a very sweet taste and it's bringing me back to my childhood again. And they look so good. I know I feel like I should throw a gloss on here, but I'm actually really loving this pink. I'm going to just do some mascara and then we can talk about the collection because we is finished. Guys, this collection is so nice. Sorry, there's kids in the house if you can hear that. This collection is so nice. Highlight is perfect for like medium skin tone. They had a lighter one as well. I wish they had like one darker one. The bronzer works perfectly. Like, it's not patchy or anything. I love the bronzer. The bronzer, let me get prices up. I never really say prices, do I? Let's see. Okay, you can buy a whole kit for £39, which is the big palette, lashes, a lip kit, a bag, a bronzer, a highlight, and what looks like an eyebrow or a gloss and something. For £39, that's quite good. They've got so much stuff in the collection. So like the highlights and the bronzers are £5. I believe the lip kits are £6. And the palette, which I think was £12. There's a perfume in the range. There's like shimmer oils. It's quite a bit. There's a clear gloss, individual lashes, a kabuki brush. There's a lip oil. £12 for the palette. £5 for this and for this. I love it. I feel like a light hand, you can get away with it. I feel like someone darker than me could get away with it too, because you wouldn't have to use such a light hand that I'm using. These are so nice. They're not too powdery. The eyeshadow palette did have a little bit of a kickback to it, but I love the color story of it, and there's so many mattes in this as well, so it's not just like pure shimmers. This shade on my lid, Melt, it is to die for, and you know I love a good orange shimmer. This is insane. I feel like you've got some putty formula ones, so the shade that I used on my inner corner called Game On is definitely more of a putty feeling, and then you've got some drier feeling ones. Melt, I don't know, that is just on another level. The mattes are gorgeous. This shade here called Spooning is the perfect pink for me. It's like a dusky rose kind of shade. So I love this palette. There is 2 mini palettes that I believe are on the Revolution website and on Boots, I think. I think so, anywho. The lip kits are really nice. Like, I can't feel them on my lips anymore. They're not sticky or anything. They smell insane. I do recommend these quite a lot, to be fair. These are really nice. I'd put a gloss over this though next time for me. And I will catch you in my next one. Bye!